What if I told you there's a way to tackle those stubborn carpet stains and spills without calling in the professionals? That's right, portable carpet cleaners are here to save the day. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 portable carpet cleaners that are powerful, easy to use, and perfect for any home. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, muddy footprints, or just want to keep your carpets fresh, these picks will blow you away. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush Plus. It easily lifted both fresh and dry red wine and blueberry pie filling stains from our test carpets, and we found it easy to maintain and clean the machine. At just over 4 pounds, it was the lightest model we tested. We especially like that it features a built-in rotating brush for better deep cleaning, but we also appreciate that the brush can be switched off to clean delicate fabrics such as hand-woven rugs and velvet. An included nubby rubber pet tool helps better tackle pet messes. In our tests, we noted a runtime of 20 minutes and a recharge time of 4.5 hours. The 8-ounce tanks are small and require more frequent refilling than models with larger ones. Bissell recommends using its own ready-to-use formula, which we think is a convenient choice because it doesn't require diluting and can be stored in the machine so it's ready to use when needed. Number 2. Kenmore SpotLite Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. Its usefulness doesn't end there. It's well equipped to handle fresh and set-in carpet stains more quickly than cleaners with smaller brush heads. When we tested the Kenmore SpotLite in our GH cleaning lab for our Best Cleaning and Organizing Awards, and deemed it a winner, it was intuitive to use and did a great job removing grape juice, tomato sauce, coffee stains and more. The large tanks were easy to fill and markings for small and big jobs let us know how much solution to add. While it lacks a hose cleaning feature, Kenmore recommends drawing clear water through it to rinse the hose before storing. When you run out of the sample cleaning solution that comes with the SpotLite, feel free to use any brand of portable cleaner solution. Number 3. Bissell Little Green Machine. Bissell's Little Green Machine was one of the first portable carpet cleaners to come to market, and it set the bar high. It continues to be one of the best, most sought-after cleaning appliances. We've tested it many times in the GH cleaning lab, and it's been all the rage on TikTok for the last several years. Its 4-foot hose extends the reach of the cleaning nozzle into nooks and crannies where some other cleaners can't go, and the 48-ounce tanks allow for plenty of cleaning in between emptying and refilling. Number 4. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Larger than other models we tested, the Rug Doctor is like a cross between a portable and full-size carpet cleaner, and with its telescoping handle and wheels, it almost resembles a piece of carry-on luggage. Looks aside, it's a workhorse that powered through tough stains and did the best job of nixing both the color and the odor of the yellow ammonia we put down to simulate pet urine. In our evaluation, we noticed the nozzle's rubberized bristles even grabbed pet hair while removing stains for a more thorough attack on pet messes. Its wheels and carrying handle aided in maneuvering and moving from one room to the next. The oversized tanks on Rug Doctor's corded model hold 64 ounces of cleaning solution, so that means less refilling when tackling bigger jobs. Number 5. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell vacuums and extractors are a popular choice for pet owners, and this SpotClean Pet Pro has features that pet parents will find especially helpful. Its 4-foot hose, long power cord and large tanks make it a perfect choice for big messes, especially in hard-to-reach places. We especially appreciated its stain trapper tool that keeps nasty pet messes from reaching the hose or dirty water tank where they can settle and cause odors. In our tests, it was second only to the Rug Doctor in overall stain removal and was excellent at removing the odor of yellow ammonia that we put down on carpets to simulate pet urine. So, which of these portable carpet cleaners are you adding to your cleaning arsenal? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you find the perfect carpet cleaner, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more home cleaning tips and reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, happy cleaning!